This is the first aid kit. I would really highly recommend everyone having a first aid kit in their home. This is kind of like a toolbox, but just putting together a first aid kit is just really important to get that together. And here's some of the first things. First aid guidebook. Aloe vera gel is actually a cooling agent for burns. Iodine, alcohol, latex gloves, sterile gauze, eyedroppers, 2-inch roll gauze bandage, thermometers, ammonia inhalants, sterile saline. And actually, I learned that you can make sterile saline if you don't have it. Bandages. And then, next slide. Scissors, burn cream, alcohol swabs, triangular bandage, an ice bag, a trauma bag, pad, antibiotic ointment, tweezers, flashlight, matches, instant cold pack, cotton tip applicators, and Tylenol and aspirin. Now that would be the basics. You could also get like a mask, different masks, or air compressor, or oxygen. So there's different additives that you can add to your first aid kit, and you can buy those. There's different first aid. I'll show you at the end different websites that you can look at to actually just buy the whole kit already pre-made for you. So a trauma pad is like a really thick pad. Like if there was a lot of bleeding, you would stick that on there to prevent the bleeding. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? All right, next slide. Roll of wide adhesive tape, oval iPads, tongue depressor, cotton balls, peanut butter, and I'll tell you why later, blanket, goggles, mask, tourniquet, possible syringe, large garbage bags, and then I said oxygen supply. I already told you that.